Do you know what is 4D printing? I bet you know what 3D printing is. You have seen and experienced 3D movies. Let me introduce you to something really different. 4D. Yes, it's 1D more. Actually, it's not just a catchphrase. 4D printing is really about using a 3D printer to print out self reconfiguring, programmable materials. Now imagine having a box that was printed with a 3D printer. That alone in itself is cool, but imagine if that box could automatically flatten itself for packing once it was impacted by some stimuli. It's kind of like a robot, but there are no microprocessors, no circuit boards, no motors. Want to know more about this future wonder? Enroll in this course to learn more about 4D printing.